To fix a malfunctioning LG dryer that isn't drying clothes properly, there are several possible reasons to consider. One common issue is a clogged lint filter, which allows lint to accumulate in the machine and disrupt its functionality. To resolve this, start by removing the filter from the dryer and vacuuming the lint from the unit and filter housing. Next, rinse the lint trap under warm running water, manually removing any lint, and soak the filter in warm soapy water for at least 10 minutes if there's stuck lint. After rinsing the filter with fresh water, allow it to dry, and vacuum the filter slot. Another potential problem is a defective heating element, which can affect the unit's ability to dry clothes. To address this, unplug the dryer and locate the heating element using the user manual. Inspect the element for signs of damage, such as cracks, and use a multimeter to test for continuity. If there's no continuity, the element is likely faulty and should be replaced, possibly with the assistance of a professional. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your LG dryer and restore its drying capabilities.